Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful February already. I know I didn't upload last week. There was just a lot of things in motion in my life and a lot of different things changing, so I just thought I'd do a little update, chit chat, get ready with me. I'm doing a fun little Valentine's Day look, so I think it's perfect. If you're wanting to see some type of soft glam look for Valentine's Day, then please keep watching and subscribe if you're new here. I do a lot of different videos like this, lifestyle vlogs with my boyfriend and 2 dogs, so if you like that type of stuff, stick around. I'm actually on my way. You'll see later on this week I'll be doing like a week in my life, and today I'm going to a new coffee shop in my area of town, so I'm getting ready right now to go with a friend. I've been wanting to try it out for a while. So anyway, I have my foundation on. Foundation, I don't really use foundation, but it's the Clinique Even Better Glow BB cream, I guess you could say. And then I have the Tarte Shape Tape that I used. Put my base on. I am going to do my eyebrows off camera though because it takes forever, so I just use the Anastasia Dip Brow and the 7B pencil. I'm going to do them off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry the lighting is a little bit different. I opened up the window. So anyway, I am going to use a little bit of this Salted Caramel palette, Dior palette as well. So that's going to be for my eyes. Honestly, you can find these colors in a lot of different palettes. So anyway, yeah, a lot has been going on. Last time you saw me, this is Lancome Juicy Tubes. It's like one of my favorite lip glosses. I heard back from Coach and they let me go, which really was sad for me. So I was really upset, and because I loved Coach, I loved working there and I loved seeing all the new product, and I worked with my best friend, so it was really fun. I was having a hard time with that bad news, so I was applying and I had a feeling that maybe they would let me go, so I already started applying elsewhere. I started applying and I applied at Tory Burch and I applied at a marketing agency. So last year, this is Nudie's Tinted Blur Stick, and I'm going to have every single product that I'm using in the description down below. That way, just in case if I don't mention it, you'll know. So anyway, this is in Deep 8, and I just use it to contour my face. I applied there, and I already heard back from Tory Burch, and they wanted to bring me on board, which was really fun. Luxury retail is something that I've always been interested in, so I thought that would be perfect for me. And I've never had anything from Tory Burch. I think maybe like a phone case from back in the day, but nothing like a bag or anything, so it's a new brand for me. And then I also applied at that marketing agency. And last year I applied to, like, I'm not even kidding, probably like 20 marketing agencies, and I never got more than a first interview. I always got a reply that they were going with someone else, and it just like really broke my heart. So honestly, my faith in the marketing agency was just not there. I did not think I was going to get it, and they called me back yesterday morning and they told me they wanted to bring me on board. So I am now a marketing assistant. It's so exciting because I wanted to do something that I went to school for. I got my degree in advertising, so I'm just really excited to start with this whole marketing career. I started about a year ago at a flooring company. It just didn't really work out for me at all. It's nice to do a little restart and start somewhere that is an actual agency, and I can learn a lot from this position, so I'm so excited. I'm taking this, it's a lot darker on camera, but it's like a transition shade. You can also use your bronzer. So yeah, I am so excited that I get to do that. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and honestly, I just did not think that I was ever going to get a job because applying in the pandemic was just hard enough as it is. So yeah, I got the job. I start next Tuesday. I'm really excited. It's part-time right now, but they said that it's most likely going to turn into full-time. I feel like it will be a great stepping stone for me, and it's just a great opportunity, and especially since it's like a smaller business in Denver, to put that on my resume is just really something. So that is like the biggest life update. I think like pretty much the only life update. Last week I was vlogging, but it just was not, it was just not content that I would want to upload. Next, I'm taking this Salted Caramel palette, and I'm using this pink shade. Honestly, this pink shade is in a lot of Too Faced palettes. So if you have like the peach one, you can find it there. I have been really wanting to grow on YouTube, obviously, so it's good right now that it's part-time. But even if it develops into full-time, I'm still going to pursue my dream on YouTube, so I'm not going anywhere. I'm just putting the shimmer shade just on my lid. Next, I'm taking the Dior palette, and I'm using the darkest shade. Again, you can use like just a dark brown shade. That's the biggest life update. I have a really fun week planned for the vlog. This weekend there's a UFC fight going on, and John is really into that. We're going over to my parents' house and gonna watch that on Saturday. I'm going to a new little coffee shop that I'll show you. It's like really cute and trendy. Next, I just take my beauty blender and I just smooth out the edge. That way it's like a snatched wing. Wow, looks really good. I don't know what is going on, but it's like really good. The next thing I do is I'm going to take this reddish color and I'm going to put it over the brown color. That is the look. I'm just going to put the littlest bit of this shimmer shade in the middle into my tear duct. I'm going to take my Naughty and Spice Nudie stick. Honestly, cream products are the way to go. I have a fun week ahead of me. I'll be taking you along for the ride, so if you want to watch that vlog, it will be uploaded. Next, I'm taking the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Physicians, oh my gosh, I can't talk. This is the best bronzer ever because it smells amazing. So I just put it basically anywhere that the sun would hit me. I'm going to take my highlighter, Resi by Anastasia. I just love the way that this looks. And Maddie Bernard is like the best when it comes to like soft glam, so all of her tips and tricks I follow. And lastly, I'm taking Lash Craft by Sephora Collection. It's the big volume lashes mascara. And then I take Telescopic, and this just really pushes up the lashes and it separates them. And then the last thing, I'm taking the iconic London lip gloss. It's like peppermint scented, and I like an Apollo hair, and it just gives like a nice little pink color to the lips. This is my new hairdo because I'm trying to grow out my bangs, so I'm just pinning my bangs back by twisting my hair in the best possible way. I got this new perfume. It's the YSL Libre. It smells amazing. It smells so good. So I spray it, always tap it so it doesn't change the scent. That is the finished makeup look. All I'm going to do is set it with the All Nighter setting spray. I did that TikTok. Very impressed with myself. And I have 10 minutes to get there. So that is the finished makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. It's a very, very soft glam look. Perfect for just staying at home if you're staying at home, or if you're able to go out to dinner and stay safe. It's a perfect like makeup look to wear with a mask, and very lightweight, very glowy, and yeah, I just love the faux wing liner look. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed my little life update and this Valentine's Day look. I hope that I see you in my next video, and yeah, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
It's a really nice day living in the